Namaskara. Again, I want to discuss to you second method for preparation of seedling in sugarcane. First method I discussed to you. I told you, I have shown you a video. I think you have enjoyed and you are going to follow it. Second method, how to prepare the seedling. That is a common method. But even then, some part people are not doing some cases that I will to discuss to you. What we have to do, we have to take the cutting of the your all sugarcane, one eye cutting. Don't take two eye because it is wastage of material and it is extraordinary. You are putting no profit because when you are using this waste decomposer, your sprouting problem will be over. It will be give more plants. So what you have to do, all the cutting material of 1 acre, you have to take it, make again pit. There we are going to keep all this material. So how to make the solution? That again same thing. Take 500 liter of micronutrient, take 500 liter of your stone element and 500 liter of your this leaves extract. If any three, one is not present, then you can take 750 liter of micronutrient, 750 of your stone element. If even then 700 is not the single thing, you can take a 1500 as such. But it is must micronutrient or stone element because leaves extract control the disease. Then you have to take 1500 liter of water. All together 3000 liter. Now take 2 kg of lime, put in the water, 12 liter water, keep it for 3-4 hours or day and take the water from there and put it in the pond. So this total material is 3010 liter is in the pond. Pond means you have to make a pit, put some your black color tarpaulin or any polythene so that water cannot leach. Now all the seedling what you have prepared, put it inside. Minimum 48 hours means 2 days. 2 days it will remain in the water. So what it will? It will absorb the micronutrient, it will absorb the bacteria, it will absorb the stone element, it will absorb your leaves extract. Now seedling will be very healthy. Now this material you have to plant it, cover it in the soil and see the sprouting. You are getting the germination after 15 days, 20 days, 25 days, 30 days. It is a cycle, people are getting it. But here hardly 10 days, hardly, but within 7 days you are able to see the sprout, good sprout. Or germination you can see in 4 days, somewhere 4 days, somewhere not more than 7 days. So this is the magical change and saving of your time, saving of your care in the field will reduce with this technology. It is very excellent, unique technology. Now this material you have to plant it, as such you are doing it and see the number of trailing, how much it is coming. As I told you, minimum 30, 40, 42, 43, 44 is common. So whatever you are keeping, generally you keep 10 to 12 plant per your seedling, you have to maintain it. But here I want to suggest you, request you, do something as I am going to ask you to achieve the 10 kg of, our target is to achieve the 10 kg of sugarcane. As I told, I work with the Datta Sugar. Mr. Ganpat Rao Patil is doing excellent work, very kind to the farmers, very helpful to the farmers. I am proud to join him for the noble work, for the planting of the sugarcane, for improving the soil So that I have seen his target is 5 kg sugarcane and my target is 10 kg. So how to achieve it? Now I am suggesting you, after planting this your 1 acre land, what you have to do, outer side, all the 4 side of the sugarcane what you have planted, please maintain 6 sugarcane and others you just remove it. Second lane, maintain 8 sugarcane, rest remove it. Then third lane, 10 sugarcane, remove it, others, only 10, 6, 8, 10. Then fourth lane, whatever you are maintaining, 12, you have to maintain it as such. So these things, when you are doing it, and I am telling you how to give the feed, I believe you will easily get 10 kg of each sugarcane what you have planted in this way, and it is practical for you if you are achieving the more weight, because 12 kg when you are getting, you are hardly getting 1 kg. Somewhere it is 1.5, when you excess things you are doing, 1.5. Total weight in one your sprout you are getting 18 kg sugarcane. Generally it is 12 kg. But when you are doing it this way, minimum will be 4 kg, 5 kg, 6 kg, 7 kg, 8 kg, up to 10 kg. So now you can multiply, per plant you are getting 12, but here you are going to get 20, 30, 40. It is unbelievable what you will get, as it depends upon how much you are giving the, making the plan for the nutrient and taking the care of the with waste decomposer. So this you have to plant it. Only one plant, one plot you can do. 4 lines you give me in this way. Now what other things you have to do? First thing, keep in your mind, if you are doing, everybody maximum is using chemical fertilizers. Don't give chemical fertilizer at a time. So how to give it? Every month plan it. When you are going for irrigation, when you are going for any work, give 5 kg of your SSP, and DAP is costly, take SSP, and take 5 kg of MOP. 5 kg SSP, 5 kg MOP. Put in the 200 liter of the waste decomposer solution. After 5, 7, 8 days, if it is longer, no harm. After 5 days, when you are, or 6 days, when you are going for the irrigation, then you put 3-4 hours before this urea. That also 5 kg. So 5 kg urea, 5 kg DAP, 5 kg in place of DAP you are using SSP. So 5 kg urea, 5 kg SSP, 5 kg MOP. All together it has to go with the irrigation every month. So this what you have made it, it is a soluble fertilizer. What you are using NPK, very costly, coming from China, this is the replacement. And see the magical results. What you are getting 19, 20, 20 soluble, you are giving it, maximum is waste, because it is uptake value. If I give you 1 kg food to you, are you able to eat it? Because your capacity is 200 gram, 300 gram. Overeating is not possible. You are not able to digest it. Similarly with the plant, give the minimum dose so that they can digest it. Digest means they can uptake it. Uptake will be increased with the help of our waste decomposer. 90% uptake will increase. So whatever you are giving 5 kg urea, you multiply it 3 times, 4 times. So it is you are reducing the chemical doses. So 50% chemical dose will be straightforward, will come down, urea, DAP, MOP, without disturbing your yield, without disturbing your soil. You will get the same yield and better yield, because I am planning for the 10 kg of sugarcane, 400 tons of your production per acre. So that can be achieved when you are giving every time NPK with 5 kg with the water, either dip irrigation or flood water. Give it like this only. Don't throw it blindly, because throwing it also takes the time. It is easy way, make a liquid. It is your liquid soluble NPK, and use it and see the results. And whatever the leftover material, SSP and some your MOP will be left over, because that is some filling material. When you are putting it, your this waste decomposer, that also will dissolve. So some minerals will come out which is not you are getting even used in the field. So that again you have to use it. But every time, again request, every time 5 kg urea, 5 kg SSP, 5 kg MOP, you have to use it. So this practice will be continue. Now for spray, if you are chemical fertilizers, you are not using it, so in place of that, you have to use this PROM, phosphorus organic manure. Use your this cakes, 1 ton cake, any cake, that also you can use it. Now for spray, I am telling you what to do. Every month you have to spray it. If you are using pesticide, fungicide, micronutrient, what you have to do, take the concentrated cow urine, half kg pack, put in 200 liter water, this half kg only, no jaggery is required, put it directly itself, next day it is ready. Whatever chemicals you are using, reduce it up to 75%. If you are using 1 liter, take only 250 ml. Pesticide, fungicide, whatever you are using, mix all together and spray it on the sugarcane. You will see the same result. What you are using 100%, here 25% will replace your 100% chemicals. What you are using, so only within 25% you will get the best result and the same result, and there is no side effect. No your residue things will come, because Gomutra, when it is concerned, it reduces the things, it reduces the toxicity. Only Gomutra, if you can spray 10,000 liter, 20,000 liter in the 1 acre land, you will see that also reduce the things. So here, when you are doing it, every month, this your concentrated Gomutra, you have to use it with the any chemical or your micronutrient. Micronutrient we are using, make a half dose. Everything has to half dose. Chemicals, nutrient, half dose. Pesticide, fungicide, insecticide, 25%. That's all. So these things you have to continue. Then you will see your growth of the sugarcane. When you are practicing it, within the 4 months of the plantation, you will see what we call distance, pod, one pod to one other pod. After 4 months, you are getting hardly 4 pods in the sugarcane. But when you are practicing it, you will get minimum 7-8 pods. Getting 8 pods, it takes 8 months, 7 months, 8 months. But here you are getting 4 months. Now you see, if you are practicing it, same thing. Here you can observe what you are practicing and what you are getting the results. It means your technology is good. You are on the right track. Continue this process and see the results. Your sugarcane height will be minimum 20 feet, minimum on average 20 feet. It will go 24 and maximum to 40, and it may cross to 40 also, as in the case of Ahmednagar, Datta Sarkar farmer, he has got 40 feet height last year, and 10 kg sugarcane that I have shown lot of farmers, and they are not believing. Now they are motivated to do the same. So getting the 10 kg of sugarcane, this is the method. You have no other method. If anybody have, sow it. What you have practices, it is all given by the some institute or some of the people. But what I am telling you, it is different. Just improved one. Infusion with the liquid waste decomposer, micronutrient, your stone element and leaves extract. Everything I have combined. This I promise you, you will get the desirable results. And your soil will be not spoiled. Your soil porosity will be maintained. You will get the earthworms in your soil. You will get the better soil structure. So this all things will happen when you are practicing this, and certainly you are going to achieve maximum yield. Our target is 400 tons. You are doing well properly. It is not tough job and you can sow better. Whatever you are getting at present on average, certainly double, triple you will get. 4 times is easy. So plant it, what I have suggested you in the first row, second row, third row, and see the magical change and magical results. After any farmer who achieved this, please call me, send me WhatsApp. I will personally come there and award you, honor you, because you are going to improve the soil, you are going to improve the sugar. So getting this practices sugarcane, I am telling you now, 1% more sugar recovery will be there. Uptake will be very high. So sugar quality will be again increased, because when phosphorus uptake is high, more than 200 ppm, your sugar quality improves. So this everything you are going to get it with these practices. So I believe you will follow this practice and achieve the extraordinary target which you have not thought so far, but it is achievable all over India. Do this practice, and if you are, and because maximum people are doing the chemical farming, if you are not doing the chemical farming, organic farming, then nutrition you have to put other way. Prom you have to must have prepared. You have to take the your manure also is required for chemical. This your press mud you can take it, and ash content whatever their ash they are throwing it, that also you take. So everything 5 tons you put in the field, along with one this chemical people also can put it, this everything. So then extraordinary, because when you are giving the nutrition in an organic way, proper way, slowly it will eat and it will give the extraordinary weight. So, and one thing you always keep in mind, whatever the leaves, whatever the things, waste material, you keep it in the field itself, so that it can decompose and it is a food for your earthworms, because everybody is going to get earthworm. If your soil, you have not used the waste decomposer earlier, maybe in 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year, but within 1 year you are able to. But somewhere soil is totally spoiled, it is not germinated, it will take, it needs special treatment that I have already explained you, and that if you do, certainly your soil and everything will improve.